Okay. Hope has told us about the Chubby Bunny Challenge, and so I am challenging Sean to the Chubby Bunny Challenge. Okay, so, and I'm going to give you the courtesy of going first.
You gotta explain what it is.
Oh, well, basically you put marshmallows in your mouth and you say Chubby Bunny until you can't fit any more marshmallows in, or you cannot say Chubby Bunny because you're laughing so hard that you can't keep the marshmallows in your mouth. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Go for it. I don't know if I'm going to do this.
Chubby Bunny.
You sound pretty normal.
I honestly don't know if I can do
You sound
this.
pretty normal.
Chubby Bunny.
And you can't choose them.
Chubby Bunny.
And then winner.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Okay, gross. Chubby Bunny.
Human's it.
Goodness.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby.
I'm still good.
Well, it's 5.
Oh, I got 2 here. Wait, how many is that? 5? 5.
Maybe 5 or 4.
Is that 5 or 4?
I think this is her 5th and you're on 5th.
I'm on 5. You're on the 5th? Okay.
So how many do you have?
5.
5. I told you. Say it again.
Couldn't understand it. Come on, Chubby Bunny. What?
Where you gonna put this one?
Chubby Bunny.
6.
6.
Dude, 8 is the world record.
No, that's not world record.
Oh.
She could get sick.
Okay, you have to keep on going.
Huh?
One of the records is 8. If you think you're gonna get sick, don't put another one in your mouth.
Where'd it go?
A piece of marshmallow. Where'd it go?
Quit.
Where'd the marshmallow go?
One of the marshmallows.
I can't do it.
How many?
7.
Where'd
Chubby
the,
Bunny.
where did the other marshmallow go?
8,
Oh,
8, 8.
But he wins.
8, 8, 8, 8.
Chubby Bunny.
9. You can do it.
Oh,
9.
this is getting disgusting. Nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see
9.
Seriously?
What's ew? Don't eat it.
Ew!
What's the world record?
That's gross.
We need to check the world record. So,
He won.
Mama got 6.
Where'd the marshmallow go?
I don't know. Did I spit one?
Yeah.
It's probably in your hair.
No, we're good.
I don't know.
Mama probably find me one for
Guys, subscribe, please. I'll do more funny stuff. Just tell me what to do.